Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I'm doing a Walmart unboxing video. So I got my box right here. Before we get started, please excuse my appearance, okay? Quarantine got me looking a little rough. Can't do my hair, my nails, my eyebrows, nothing. They don't want me to be great.
It's locked up, they won't let me out.
Into the video. Alright, so let's get into the video and let's see the goodies that I got. Oh, okay. First, we sent deodorant. This is Degree. This lately has been my favorite brand. I mean, I'm not really picky, but I don't feel like it lasts longer and it's pretty good. So, Degree deodorant. Okay, it's kind of like a lotion. Skin Therapy Moisturizer. Oh, a nail polish. Let's see what color. Oh, this is pretty nice. Like an off-white-ish color. This gonna keep me busy. This is about to have a whole mani and pedi during quarantine. Okay, so I could be cute to the kitchen, to the living room, because that's the furthest that we can go. Let's do that. You know I love lip gloss. I think I said this in my previous video. And they sent 2 lip gloss. NYX lip creams. Look at these shades. They are so nice. Wow. Ooh, quarantine needs to be over so I can put these babies on. What's next? Ooh, Colgate Optic White. I've been wanting to try this. I'm so glad that they sent it. Because I think this is, a little pricey. And I was not trying to pay that yet. I must have had a coupon. But listen, I got it for the free, honey. When I said the free, I got it for $5 because I paid $5 for the box. But definitely going to be trying this. Oh, I can't wait to try this. And then the rest is just like the papers that tell you what they sent you. Like the NYX, a little Walmart card, and the Colgate paper. That's really what they sent. I like the box this month. It's pretty good. I'm definitely going to be using everything that it came with. So if you want to try this Walmart Beauty Box, sign up. Just go to Walmart Beauty Box and get yours. It's only $5 and it's free shipping. So it's not bad at all. And it's only a couple times a year. So it's not like you have to do this monthly. So I'll put everything in the description box below and check it out for yourself. Let me know how you like it. So that's really it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a little update, show you what I got. So I'll see you guys next time.